So here's just a quick video on solar panel installation when you're going to heat your pool with solar. Now what I've seen in the past is that when these panels are mounted directly to the roof through these bolts, right? What happens is these solar panels flap in the wind and it rips the bolt out of the plywood underneath your shingles, creating a hole and a leak. This system is 10 years old. It's being replaced because we're getting a new roof. But I want you to see something. If you bolt the strap directly to the roof and then caulk it, you can see that the lift that's caused by wind is absorbed by this strap. And what happens is, I'm just taking this bracket off now. You get somewhere underneath it, right? Maybe it'd be easier to see with this one. You get somewhere, okay? This is 10 years. And the rest of the roof is getting kind of old, but the straps have really absorbed the shock and they haven't leaked. So there's no roof leak here, it's just time. So if you're considering mounting solar panels on your roof, I would strongly recommend you use strapping, then bolt your solar panels with their connectors to the strapping. That way you're not pulling on the bolts, ripping them out of your plywood, causing a leak in your roof. So I hope this helps someone. If you're considering this, these panels are great. They got the pool up to over 80 degrees, sometimes almost 90. Granted, this is Florida, but they work great. And if you're not putting a hole in your roof and causing a leak, that's even better. Okay, that's it for now. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.